Welcome back to Flex Dashboard Introduction. Today we will introduce components. First, to click New to create a new design view, and drag the components wherever you want from the left side onto the workspace. Here we drag horizontal group onto the workspace. As the parent container is vertical group, we can have a look in source. Container height 100%. This is the vertical group. So the horizontal group align left of the workspace and overlap the container. Now we select the horizontal group and resizing it in generic here. You can customize width as 400 and height as 200. The size of the horizontal group change. Or you can drag the gray brick on the frame to resize the horizontal group directly. And you also can insert percentage in text box like 100% and the horizontal group overlap the container here and set height as 50. So now the horizontal group on the top of the workspace. Now let's check the source. The parent container vertical group is same as before, but the horizontal container height changed to 50, same as here, and width 100% as here. Now let's back to the design view and drag a vertical group onto the workspace. Now the vertical group displays similar as the horizontal group. The difference between these two is the sub-element layout. Now we set the width of the vertical group 100%, height 100%. Okay, the vertical group overlap the container, right, left. Okay, and let's see the difference between these two. We drag radio button onto the horizontal group and the checkbox to the horizontal group. You can see these two components located by horizontal, and we drag these two onto the vertical. Now these two components located by vertical. And you also can customize the property, the size and the location. Here with 20 and height 60. Okay, it changed. And you also can change by drag the gray brick on the frame. The other components can be customized as the same way, like color picker, enlarge, change the size and the color, green. Okay, let's focus to introduce data grid. First, we clean the design view. Delete the component by clicking delete button. We introduced this button before, so just delete it. Okay, and drag a data grid onto the workspace. You can customize the data source here, and we have three kinds of data source. JNDI, defined in the Tomcat server. Outer data source is defined in Pentaho administration console, and XM data source. Here we select the JNDI as an example and click down arrow To choose the source node in Tomcat server, we select the sample data here and input the circle. Select the product sold year quarter from product sold and press apply. Now the result display on the design view. You can drag to enlarge the grid. And you also can refresh the data by enable the real-time refresh. The default setting of refresh frequency is 2 seconds. Now we press apply again, and you will see a clock appear around the cursor per 2 seconds. See? It means to ask for refreshing the data. If the data will be if there is any data, the data will be refreshed. Okay, now we click run to see the result. As this file is not saved before, so we select the catalog 7 and input the file name as secondgrade.html and press save. Now the grade appears on the browse. Now you can see a space above the grade. That is because we put a horizontal group above this grade. Okay, that's the end of this. Now that's back to the design view.